Blake Cook. I'm the Director of Operations at Cook Tire and Service Center. Cook Tire has 4 locations in 3 cities, Lufkin, Nacogdoches, and Livingston. Cook Tire was founded in 1982 by my grandfather Lloyd Cook, my father Mark Cook, and my uncle David Cook. It's been in the family for 40 years to today. We've got 53 employees across all 4 stores. The Hercules Power Program allows us to give the customer the best value possible. Key points that we like to point out to a customer when they come in to purchase a Hercules tire: it's an American company, built in America, and it's the best value for the money. The AT2 tires being replaced by the ATX tires has been a tremendous success for us. We've had very good feedback from our customers, and we're very happy to offer it. The 3 words that come to mind when I think of Hercules tires are pride, value, and quality. Pride, it's an American-made tire. Value, it's the best deal on the road. And quality, because the quality control in the Hercules plants is as high as any other manufacturer.
My name is Josh Douglas. I'm a Bassmaster Elite Series Pro and a member of Team Hercules. How many miles do I run my truck and trailer in a year? Is quite a lot, about 70,000 miles, both truck and trailer. I don't go anywhere without my trailer on the back of my truck. Yeah, the ATX Venture tires, I've already put 20 to 25,000 miles on them already, from Minnesota to Florida. What kind of terrain do I see? Mostly highway miles. A lot of miles, those 70,000 miles we put on a year. I live in northern Minnesota. We travel from Minnesota to Florida, across to Texas. Mostly highway miles until we get off the roads going to the lake, and then we're going to kind of run into some of your gravel roads, and then of course you got to have good grip around them boat ramps all the time, backing in and out. But the new features I need out of a trailer tire are going to be performance, as far as and longevity. Those are the biggest things that I need to get out of a good trailer tire. The new StrongGuard STs that we just put on there from Hercules Tires will give me that. Bass fishing is always done when it's warm outside. It's 90-something degrees outside right now. We just came from Minnesota down here to Texas. That's a lot of highway miles, and definitely got to have performance and durability out of my tires. They're carrying everything that's important to me. Tournament bass fishing is full of pressure and heat, and no different than what I need out of my Hercules tires. I need to be able to get everything to the boat ramp day in and day out. I need a tire that can handle the heat and the pressure, and that's what I get out of the StrongGuard STs.
My name is Mark Cook. I'm president of Cook Tire and Service Center. Cook Tire has 4 locations. We have 2 stores in Nacogdoches, 1 in Lufkin, and 1 in Livingston. Cook Tire was founded in 1982, in the spring of 1982. Hercules has been a good fit for us. It's been a great ally to work with. The niche that it fit for our particular market, where we do a lot of light truck work, has been phenomenal. The biggest thing is making sure the customer understands that he can buy a Hercules product with all the confidence in the world. We've got a track record now with Hercules, with customers that have had superb service from the tires, and it's just turned out to be a great product for us, and that flows over into our salespeople's willingness to sell it because they believe in it. Just a great value overall has been our biggest advantage with those. Hercules brings a great value to the customer.